If your blower motor keeps running after replacing all safety switches, the issue likely lies deeper in the control or signaling path. Start by isolating power and visually inspecting the control board for burned traces, swollen capacitors, or stuck relays, because a welded relay contact can hold the blower on even when the board is commanded off. Verify the thermostat is wiring to the correct terminals and sending the correct signal by testing continuity and voltage at the furnace control board while cycling the thermostat off and on using a multimeter set to the appropriate range. Check the fan limit control or persistent fan settings on the control board, since some systems have programmable fan-on timers or settings that override the thermostat. Consult the unit label or manual for the exact jumper or dip switch positions and change them if needed. Examine the blower motor relay and the motor start capacitor by measuring coil resistance and capacitor microfarad value, as a shorted relay coil or a failed capacitor can cause abnormal motor behavior. Confirm the blower control is not being powered by an alternate source, such as a separate 24-volt transformer or an always hot feed that bypasses control board switching. Trace wiring back to any auxiliary controllers, humidifier, or air cleaner that may loop through fan circuits. If the system uses a direct drive variable speed blower, test the control board variable speed output and the motor control module with manufacturer specified procedures, because those motors use electronic control signals rather than simple switched power and require precise voltage or pulse width modulation to change speed and stop. Common mistakes include assuming all replacement parts are functional when a new safety switch could be faulty or wired incorrectly. So double-check part numbers, orientation, and wiring diagrams and test continuity before final assembly. Another frequent issue is overlooking auxiliary devices or aftermarket thermostats that provide continuous power to the fan circuit. Temporarily disconnect any auxiliary devices and test the system, and if needed, reconfigure the thermostat to use the correct dedicated fan control wire. A third error is not verifying the control board itself, where a stuck relay or a failed driver transistor is often missed. If you find a stuck relay, replace or bypass it only for testing and consider replacing the board or calling a trained technician for solder level repairs. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors by listing local contractors and hosting a community discussion forum where we share real experiences and troubleshooting tips. We help contractors find work by providing a place to showcase services and engage with potential clients in our community.